Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and make Discord roles. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So firstly, simply go ahead and open your Discord app or on your web, and then simply go ahead and make sure you are logged in into your Discord account. Now, in order to go ahead and create roles, you need to be the admin of the server that you want to go ahead and create roles in. So for example, this is a server that I made a couple years back. So let's just say I want to go ahead and make new roles to this. So all I need to do is click on this server name on the top left, and then this menu is going to pop up. Simply go ahead and click on server settings and then click on roles down here. Once you've done that, as you can see, there are going to be a lot of roles that are already going to be there. These are a couple ones I made previously. You can simply go ahead and click on create role. And once you do that, you're going to be right here. So new role, you can name it whatever you want. So for example, let's say general. And what I want to do is give it a color right over here to identify what they are. So let's just say yellow because it's the most generic color. You can also choose images if you want to. You can also display role members separately from online members if you want to. Allow anyone to mention this role. View server as role. And you can also go to permissions, and there is general permissions where there is view channels you can allow, manage channels. You can either create, edit, or delete channels, which should be turned off for general. So for example, manage roles, allow members to create new roles and stuff. As you can see, all these are the settings that you can let them or let them not do. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.